from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
And we are tracking the potential for some strong storms as we head into the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. That's all associated with a cold front that's going to kind of meander through the region for about 36 hours or so. That's going to keep the chance of rain around through Friday, but I think we're going to see decreasing rain chances through the day, some clearing on the backside, and then some cooler and drier weather just in time for the weekend. If it has to dry out sometime, I think we're all good with it starting to clear up on Saturday. We just have to get through the next 24 hours. That's why our primary focus is going to be that level 2 risk for strong storms include for our southern and easternmost communities, level 1 for everyone else. And essentially the components of what we're watching for are the same. It's just that level 2 area has the better chance of seeing that instability. And damaging wind gusts going to be our primary concern, but there's going to be some heavy bands of rain here, and that could lead to some isolated flash flooding. Hail also going to be a primary concern, low end risk for an isolated spin up as there's going to be a lot of energy in the atmosphere. And speaking of rain, we have a flash flood watch. It's already in effect. It goes into effect at 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon through 8 a.m. on Friday morning as that energy starts to push in. So here's how we get through the day. Notice at 7 a.m. our westernmost communities are already getting some of those showers just in time for the drive to work. As we head into the afternoon, that energy shifts through, but we're going to see southwesterly to northeasterly flow here. So those thunderstorms are going to be pummeling in from the southwest as we head through the afternoon. Lulls in the precip, but there's going to be low pressure just to the north. That front's going to stall out, and that's going to keep rain around. So just be prepared for it to be a damp day. All of that rain and the passage of that front is going to allow the temperatures to be marginally cooler. We're going to get into the upper 80s, low 90s for a daytime high. But notice how showers are still around, especially for our south and easternmost communities for the start of your Friday. As we head into the afternoon, more isolated opportunities for showers on the backside of that low pressure as it starts to spin offshore, and that's going to set us up for some better conditions on Saturdays. Cooler numbers in the upper 70s for most of the day on Friday. I think we crest out in the lower 80s, and as far as those rain totals, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches widespread. There could be some isolated pockets that get a little bit more than that. Therein lies that concern for some flash flooding. Drying out for your Saturday and Sunday, a fantastic Independence Day weekend forecast. We're in the upper 80s by Monday and temperatures climbing back into the lower 90s through Tuesday and Wednesday, where we'll be looking at another shot of rain trickling into the forecast. And we've been watching the tropics. If you've been with us for the last couple of days, we were concerned about this system developing. It's early for us to see a storm develop this far out towards the east, but we have a tropical depression newly minted within the last 15 minutes or so, moving to the west at 23 miles per hour, wind sustained at 35 miles per hour. But you can see the forecast is for it to become a tropical storm. The next name on the list is Elsa, expecting it to approach the Windward and Leeward Islands as we head into your Friday morning, and then eventually curving out towards the north and west, angling towards Florida, which is of a concern as there is a massive undertaking of rescue operations going on there. So we'll keep you posted.